Ventura, members of Sangguniang Bayan, our dear benefactor, Mr. Rogelio Orta, our beloved principal, Dr. Marilyn R. Dios, school heads in different schools, your teachers, parents, fellow graduates, friends, ladies and gentlemen, a very pleasant afternoon. Graduation is not the end. It is just the beginning. It is not about saying goodbye, but rather saying hello to the future. And now, the day we have all been waiting for has finally come. A once-in-a-lifetime event in our lives that after all of the sacrifices that we have done, here we are, graduates of Moral National High School, proving ourselves that we are deserving and ready to face and enter the new world and a new journey for us to travel on. The graduates of our towards transformational society and answer to climate change. The theme of these graduations wants us to understand that we, the graduates, will be the marker for the change, for the recovery, and to make the transformation of our society into a dream come true. At this very moment, I myself plead for a secret vow that the graduates of this batch 2011 will be a strong team for that mission. As your valedictorian, I am requesting all the graduates to please stand and raise your right hand. Again, I am requesting all the graduates to please stand and raise your right hand. Repeat after I, sincerely, Stephen Jordan Michael, together with my brothers and sisters, who reach the fruit of our patient toil today, promise to be the positive agents of change with all our heart and soul, and that we will be the fulfillment of that promise. So help us God. You may now have your seat. Delivering a laboratory advent was just like a dream. Where suddenly I know it yet and turned out to be real. I can't really believe it, but the fact that I'm standing before you, a former student of faculty High School, from first year to third year, and because of the demolition project of the county government in our residence, we decided to look for another place to live in. And eventually, my parents were able to find a house in Venezuela that Then, I walked into here in Moral National High School. At first, I found it very difficult to adjust and to move up to the environment and to the people. The feeling of mixed emotions was in my heart, especially when the first day of school came. I was very nervous that day, but I managed to enter the gate and go to the school quadrangle, where many other students are lined up in their respective sections. That day was the start of me being a legitimate daughter of Moral National High School, our second home. Achievement, recognition, those are only souvenirs of our faith. Being one of the members of the science investigatory team, who brought our school to national level, is a great privilege and very unforgettable. Sa matagalan ng malalim po sa Fort Nara, naranasan at alam ko ang kailang saya ng pag-aaral at sabay ng pakikipagkaibigan. Ang wala humpay na kawalan, kulitan, asaran, pagkiprit sa kaibigan, classmate para makikain. Naranasan ko ito ang mga hindi matatawarin pangyayari na hindi ko makakalimutan. Ang pagsali mo sa iba't ibang pagkikala at ang pinakamahalaga sa lahat ay ang pagiging kasabi ko sa Science Investigatory Team kasama sina Diana Rose Nobles at Nadia Tomatilla. Kung saan sinaguran ko kami ang Lesson Learned mula sa pangalan ng aming project na Amazing Emergency Gadgets. Dito po ay naranasan namin ang hirap ng pagiging isang researcher kung saan inisip namin ang bawat sakit ng kulong sa bawat araw na pag-aaral namin sa aming Science Investigatory Project. Naranasan po namin magpuyat hanggang gabi ng sa lahat. With God's help, nagawa po namin makarating sa national level at makakuha ng Certificate of Outstanding Achievement. Hindi naman ito ang magiging matagumpay kung wala mo ang aming coach at advisor ng NARA, Sino Gerhard Balahaga. Lumalang ko na isakripisyo para sa atin. Kaya, sir, para sa inyo po ang aming parangal. Maging natulong din po, Sino Freddy Garcia para sa aming research paper. Ipagpapakahalaga kung dali po sa aming buhay na sa kabila po ng hirap, pagod at puyat na aming ginana. Kapalit naman ito ay walang pagsigas, kaligayahan at parangal, hindi lamang sa lalawigan ng edad, kundi sa buong reliyon ng Calabarzon. Of course, all success is not mine alone. It's ours. And now, may I specifically mention the person whom I owe a lot, and to whom I am very grateful. First and foremost, to my parents, Mr. Edwin Rimando and Mrs. Jennifer. I would like to take this opportunity kasi po, kahit kung hindi ko po masabi sa inyo, kasamantalahin ko na po ang pagkakataon para sabihin mahal na po kayo at ipinagmamalaki po na kayo ang aking mga magulang. To my eldest brother, Mark Lester Rimando, thank you for the support. And to my elder brother, Jeremy Rimando, who's now with God, thank you for the guidance. You are God's great gift. To our teachers who have sacrificed for giving us the seed of knowledge, the education we have is long enough will continue to bloom their fruits and be a good harvest of excellence and achievement. Maraming salamat po sa mga pangalawa namin inaasama na sa kabila po ng matigasan ng aming mga ulo ay nariyan pa rin po kayo upang umundawa at tutuloy kami sa mga pangalan. Lalo-lalo na po sa mga panagdalaw ko sa advisor, Ginang Luz Ramirez at Pilipinas Melita Ortiz. Siyempre po sa aking advisor, si Dr. Gerhard Balahaga. Kaya po sa mga parents and teachers na lawin ito, saludo po ako sa inyo lahat. Palakpakan naman po natin sila. Nais ko itong bigyan pagsalamat ang mga klase sa kaibigan na naging bahagi na ng aking buhay dito sa mataas na pang-aaralan sa Sitral ng Corong. Siyempre po ang Forsyther, kahit isang araw lang po sa Port ng Kawali. Nandiyan din po ang Formulawe. At doing one and moving on to the next. We will meet new people friends and learn new things. We will grow older, more, and independent. I can look over the many things that I feel today. Perceptions of individuals. I no longer see people as they were. I see them as they will be. So rather than young boy failing all his classes, I see the next Einstein making revolutionary discoveries. I know that this batch holds the next decade great business leaders, doctors, politicians, scientists, and stars, and that all of this graduates will contribute to the fabric of the future in some way. As Rodney Survivor and Picolo, our teacher in English, told me, be nice to people who you will meet on your way up, because you will miss them on your way down. Salamat, magandang hapon, at mabuhay po tayong lahat. Maraming salamat, Gordon Eddie, at Bailey. Tunay na dapat pa rin ipagmalaki ng inyong mga magulang. At tinatawagan ko ang Ginoong Officer R. Gordon, tagapangulo, Alalim sa Sisunan.
Maraming salamat bilang gino sa tayo. Ang ating pulong bayan, kagalangalan Joseph E. Buenaventura, sa ating kalawang pulong bayan, kagalangalan Emilio Conde, sa mga bumubuo ng Sandoyang Bayan na narito ngayong hapon, kagalangalan Nancy Kelly, kagalangalan Tim Bianco, sabi ko monitoring official ng Warren Buckley, Dr. Teresita Paredes, Psychologist of Law ng Distrito ng Moong,